JASO and Titan have had an excellent partnership for many, many years and continue to do so. And the J780 was born through the need for a heavy lift crane and a smart design that met the market in Australia. The crane was born through concept that Titan sought to meet the market here in Australia and a demand that exists. The crane design itself was a collaboration between JASO and Titan, but was never a possibility unless the relationship was strong, and JASO certainly have an excellent reputation in design and production of tower cranes. The JASO J780 is the latest in a new series of cranes designed by JASO in collaboration with Titan to meet the new market that is heavy lift tower cranes. The crane is an all-electric crane and was designed in collaboration with Titan to meet the market of Australia where diesels had once dominated. The crane boasts a 28-tonne winch that uses the latest technology in gearboxes with the ability to split gears to offer both high speed, high capacity and most importantly energy efficiency. The stepless control gives the crane operator the ability to inch the crane literally with millimetre accuracy and also high performance speed where required on high-rise structures. We're very excited that these cranes have now been introduced to the Australian market and are performing very well on some very landmark projects here in Sydney. The cranes so far have performed to our expectation and in some areas exceeded it, and the feedback so far has been strong. The crane also uses new technology in the slew, giving it stepless control, which in the past has never been an ability of electric cranes, or more importantly was an issue with electric cranes. The crane itself uses towers that are 2-metre centres, and they are a new design called the TSP20. They also are followed with their cousin, the TSP24, for extra freestand ability. These towers are containerisable, as is most of the crane, and that is a remarkable achievement considering the size and the capacity of the crane. Expect to see this crane across the world very shortly, and the demand has already reached next levels for JASO order book, and they will continue to see further demand in the new year. JASO are renowned world leaders in tower crane technology and have been for over 40 years. We're very proud to be part of their group and are definitely a reason for our success here in Australia. They continue to innovate and continue to lead the market in many areas and should not be underestimated when you have a need for tower cranes.